Hey everyone, you are watching Premium Learnings. Today we are going to discuss how to be professional at work. Professionalism is a quality that distinguishes a professional from a worker. It's the characteristic of an employee or a business person that makes the one most desirable for the employers, partners, and customers. Professionalism focuses more on how than what to do. Today we are going to discuss a few pointers that throws light on aspects of these concepts. The first one is appearance. Your attire plays an important role in your first as well as long-lasting impression at workplace. You can exude a powerful, professional, and sincere image of yourself through that. So make sure it is neat and clean, ironed, fit to the norms of organization always. The second aspect is punctuality. Time is undoubtedly the most valuable thing that we all possess. However, when you do not value that by arriving late to the meetings and other events is disrespectful towards others. Hence, it is important to imbibe the habit of arriving timely on every event, especially at work. The third aspect is commitment. Your commitments related to the work also affect others' work, as at the workplace we work together in teams. Not following the commitments can shatter others' timelines, and it also raises questions about your performing abilities. Hence, make sure you provide achievable and reasonable timelines based on analysis and stick to them in every situation. The next aspect is open mind. While we work in teams made of people from different backgrounds and cultures, only an open-minded person can fit in and get along with the team. Respecting others' opinion and not being judgmental can help maintain a healthy workplace environment. Anyone who disrupts the harmony of the team will never be able to make his or her firm place in organization despite of the performance. The next aspect is ownership. Taking complete ownership of the task at hand is a key characteristic of a professional. If your tasks need to be micromanaged by your supervisor, that decreases your credibility. Hence, make sure that you achieve crystal clarity of the work, solve or report issues that may hamper your timelines and quality of work, and deliver every bit of it with perfection without any blame on situations and people. So that's about it. There are many other aspects of professionalism, and every time you imbibe any of those, you level yourself up as a professional and a person too. To conclude, professionalism is not a label that you apply to yourself. It is a description that you hope others apply to you. All the best with your career. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep evolving. Thank you.